Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A15s, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should go to our Muviz Edge application, because will help with this with the Muviz Edge. Unfortunately, because we have no by default activated this feature on our device, so open the always on display application here, and now we can select one from these, another just always on display tab to set it on your display. For example, we can go with this application, just tap here to apply. Now just you can go here to the settings app, settings section, tap here to always on display, and here as can you see we can show our always on display on screen lock always while our device charging, or only when we are playing the music will stay with the always. We can also change the screen timeout from 1 minute here to never. Also we can set here the brightness from 30 to the 100%, and here we can also just close the always on display feature by double tap on our lock screen or by single tap, and also we can close with the fingerprint if you guys set it up, the fingerprint recognition here. Also we can go back, go here to the always on display. Here we got this tab, and here we can also just enable the music. We can change the music controls just to hide them after less than 10 seconds on or never. Also we can here enable the notifications, we can show the date here, we can turn it off or turn it on, and also we can just show the battery status always while the device charging, or just to don't show, will stay with it always. And that's it, that's how to customize the always on display feature on our OPPO A15s. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.